I got cab high fiberglass ARE. Fits 07 to 13 Chevy 5.8 bed. It's got sliding windows on the side. It's black cherry in color, so it's gonna look very dark, almost black on this video, but it's got just a hair tint of red, purple in this color. It's in really good shape. It's just got it's like some scuffs there on the window frame, half sliders on the side. I really don't see much damage on the sides on this one at all. I don't see anything here to note. The top edge has some damage right here, some scratches, along with this front corner here as well. It's got a sliding window in the front. It's got some chips right there. Looks like a couple scratches on the top there. Got some scratches and chips right there, along with a mark right there. It looks like literally like it was stood on its end. And it's got it's like a wear mark on the corner of the top right there. On this side, see a little bit of a chip right there, a scratch right there, a couple chip right there, chip right there. Really nothing major on this one here. Looks like you got one down there as well. Half sliders on this side as well. No damage that I can see. Got a little small chip right there. A couple of them back here on the back corner. But really, it's nothing wrong with this one that I can see majorly on the sides. You can probably see the red tint in the color now, so it looks a little more of a dark purple, but it's black cherry is the color. It's got the double T handle, back door, sliding windows on the side. It's got a small hole in the screen right there, and another one up there. The window on the front is a tilt-in slider, which is an option. What that does is allows you to open that up, tilt that in so that you can clean the front of this window and the back of the cab window on the truck. And then you just flip that back up, and you latch the latches here and here, lock the window back up. Sliding window on this side. Screens on this side is in really good shape. I don't see any damage on the screen here. It's looking really good on this side. Here's the how about I turn it right side up? See what happens. Looks like it's the 08. It was built for an 08 Chevy double cab, 5.8 bed. It's a V series, 519 dark crimson metallic is the color. It's ARE. So there you go, cab high fiberglass. It's the 07 to 13 Chevy 5.8 bed.